So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have Reconnect Inverter AC and PC01 error is coming in that AC, then how can you fix this error, and that too very easily. So let's start the video. If PC01 error is coming in Reconnect Inverter AC, then this error is outdoor unit AC current over voltage and under voltage protection. This problem can occur in your AC due to two reasons. The first reason may be, check the input current of your house. The voltage of your house should be 220 volts to 240 volts. This is a normal stream. If the voltage is more or less than 220 volts to 240 volts, then you should get the power supply of the house checked and get the voltage corrected. This will correct this error, and if there is a voltage problem in your area, then you can install a stabilizer in the AC. Should be installed. However, this error will be fixed, and the voltage of your house is fine, and still this error is coming, then there could be another reason for it. You open the PCB of the outdoor unit by turning off a main switch and then turn on the AC and check the voltage at the connector of the fan motor. If the voltage is too low or too high from 240 volts to 410 volts, then your outdoor PCB is bad. So you have to replace the PCB of the outdoor unit. This error will be completely resolved after replacing the PCB of the outdoor unit. I hope you have understood the information given by me, so please like my video.